All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole for those who don't know. If you're not subscribed, why aren't you? Click that big red button to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post another video. As you can see, we have a different type of video today. So we're gonna be unboxing a Boxycharm subscription. Listen, the makeup products that you are getting are like makeup products that you would see in Sephora for the price of as low as $25. The base box is $25, which is the one that I will be showcasing today. Let's unbox some goodies and use them to create a makeup look. This is how the Boxycharm boxes look, and you're probably wondering why I have two boxes. No, I did not waste money on two boxes. One of them is my mom's, and hers mainly came with makeup, so she just let me have it. I'm just gonna quickly run through the products. So this is how my box looks. As you can see, it's a black box. And then the first thing that is in here are 3 masks. These are the Tony Moly masks, and they're 3 different masks. They're sheet masks. And we have the Porefessional primer. I was thinking about investing in this, but I'm so glad that I got this. Then we have, I've seen these on Instagram a lot. We have the iconic London Illuminator. And we have the ZOEVA Cafe palette. We're gonna be using this for our eye look today. Then we have the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. Now on to my mother's box. What did we have in here? First thing we have that is similar to mine is the Porefessional, and I'm not gonna be using the Porefessional 2 times. So I'm gonna have this back. Then we have 2 beauty sponges. This is the Hank and Harry beauty sponges. I took them out because I wanted to wash them before I used them. Then we have a brush set, which is really great for the fact that we have a eyeshadow palette. So not only are they giving you makeup, but they're also giving you tools to do your makeup with. We have the ELEMIS Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. So that's good. I love skincare. I'm a skincare fanatic. I'm always looking for a new product to try. And then we have the makeup eraser. I already used this, and so far I love it. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if there's like something in that's activated when you wet it, but this actually works. I thought it was gimmicky, but it actually works, and it's just a cute color. And all you have to do is just wash it afterwards, so you're saving wipes and the environment. Now let's get on to the makeup look. First product we are going to use from the box is the moisturizer. This is the ELEMIS Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. Always make sure that you moisturize your face before you even think about putting on some primer, and just carry that down to your neck, because whatever you do to your face, you want to do to your neck. Your neck is what shows the first signs of aging. Still a young hot pepper, but. So the next thing I'm going to be using from the box is our primer, and this is the Benefit Porefessional primer. I'm really glad that this came in the box because I really wanted to try it. It's supposed to be smoothing, and I do have texture on my face, so I hope that it does its job. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand. I like to focus on the T-zone before I spread it everywhere else. Okay, and then now that my T-zone is all covered up, I go out and I spread it everywhere. Now we're gonna go in with the brows. I'm gonna do the brows and get back to you when we move on to the next product. Now the next thing that we are gonna go in with is eyeshadow. And we're also gonna be using these brush tools in order to create the eye look. We may need a little help along the way because I need like bigger blending brushes. I just want to show you guys what the palette looks like. Now this is a ZOEVA Cafe palette. I swatched them. The only thing that this palette is missing is a mirror. It's not really of an inconvenience to me, but if you were to take this on the go and you need a mirror right there and then yeah. So the first brush I'm going to be taking is a Luxie blending brush. It's just a big fluffy tapered blending brush. I'm going to be taking Nuanced History and just placing that above my crease so that it can act as a buffer later. going right here with it. Is that even showing up? Hold the hell up. Somebody look like she don't want to clock in for work. I think it's because I'm melanated. That's why she hating it. She don't want to show up.
I don't want that ashy color anyway.
So we're gonna go in with the tasting note and see if that shows up. Ah, that's so much better. I honestly don't really know what eye look I want to do, but I'm just winging it at this point. Whatever color jumps out at me when I'm ready for the next step is what we're doing. And the next thing I'm going to be taking is that pink brush. I want to go daring today because the lip is daring, so I want to do like little daring. I'm going to use herring goss, which is like a olivey brown. And using this tapered brush, you're going to be able to get more into the crease, pinpoint where you want that color to be. With my crease colors, I like to pack them in because as the more you blend, the more color gets distributed everywhere. Taking that same brush, we're gonna just start blending that. I'm gonna be taking this angled brush, this angled blending brush. I'm just gonna marry these two colors together. All right, now the next step is to carve out our cut crease. I don't know what lip color I'm gonna go for with this. I always mess up on this day, so we're gonna need a moment of silence. If you ain't nanny, no, I mean. It's really early and I had to take a break to eat breakfast. I made breakfast. Or whatever, I'm a little chef or whatever, chef boy all black. If you hear any music in the background, it's because baby shows are on, gotta keep them entertained. When I was reviewing the clip, I have AirPods in. Why do I have AirPods in? I lost the footage where I put on my eyelid eyeshadow, and I just wanted to show you guys that it's nothing other than the No Added Spice, which is this green right here. So other than the eyelid color, I just put on some falsies and some eyeliner and some mascara, and now we can go on to the face. Now it's time to do foundation. And for foundation, for blending out, I'm gonna go in with a brush, and then I will be using these bad boys that came in the box. And bop, bop, bang. Then going in with the sponge, and I wet it a little bit with setting spray. I don't even know how to do eyeshadow, so I am so surprised that I even pulled off this look. Oh, I found it out. But I need some lip balm because I look kind of. I already added some to the bottom lash line, but I want to add some more. I'm gonna take the purple because what I went in with was a Shine Bright, and I feel like it's like very dark. So I'm gonna go in with the Talk, Write, and Read, which is this shimmery purple right here. And then I'm gonna take that and go into the lash line. I did put some highlight on, but I forgot that we were supposed to use this, so ain't nothing wrong with too much highlight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put this on top. Savon broke this. She went to war with this one, so I don't know what she had against it, but she decided to go to war with it. Bow, bow, bow. I ain't gonna put too much. Bow. Tip of the nose. Right here. Then we just gonna take this brush and blend it out. Oh, that's a nice glue. No bumbo. Call me pregnant because I am glowing. Sun ain't got nothing on me. Stars ain't got nothing on me. Diamonds ain't got nothing on me. Now for the big finale. Big finale is these dark lips, girl. I committed to something and we just gonna do it. I have not worn a bold lipstick in so long. It's the Dose of Colors lipstick in Lava Cake. That is a very suitable name for this because it does remind me of a lava cake. This is how the lip looks. I don't know how to feel about it. It's not bad. It's just that I have big lips and like the first thing you see on my face is my lips. So if I'm adding like very bold colors to it, it makes it stand out even more. Not saying I don't love my lips. I love my lips. But they're already out there. You don't need to put them like out there. Yeah, this is the finished look. I'm very surprised at how it came out because I am not good at eyeshadow, but I pulled this off. I feel like I did a great job for somebody that didn't know what to do like a month ago. This lip, it's something that takes getting used to, so it's not bad. Let me just make sure I don't have nothing on teeth. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what I'm gonna tell you to do. Click that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload another video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Leave me alone, Dad.